Hello, estate owner. So today, ang content natin is hindi condo tour, kundi unit turnover of my client here in Tuscany Private Estate. So yung unit niya is na-reserve lang niya ng February and this April is turnover na ng unit niya. So ipakita ko sa inyo later yung turnover namin. So see you! Before i-accept ni client yung unit, is minimake sure muna ng turnover team together with the client na maayos yung unit niya. And thank you to Ma'am Joy dahil pumayag siya na i-feature natin siya sa ating vlog today and para rin may interview siya regarding sa naging process ng kanyang turnover. And by the way, this is the view of the unit of my client. And after that is in-explain naman ng admin yung mga house rules ng unit. Hi Ma'am Joy, so may question lang po ako regarding sa turnover niyo po today sa Tuscany Private Estate. Para saan po yung unit na binili po natin, ma'am?
Okay, the unit is for personal use. So, I will be ako yung titira sa unit nito.
Okay po. Ano po yung reason bakit nagustuhan po natin si Tuscany Private Estate? Bakit po kay Mega World?
Okay, I like number one is I really like the neighborhood.
Alright.
Here in Tuscany, it feels like home. And when you are working and then you get home, you feel like sa bahay ka talaga. Because I'm from Davao, so I'm used to with a homey type of place. So that's how I find Tuscany.
So, kamusta naman po yung process ng turnover, ma'am?
So far, everything went smooth because Jessica was very helpful with me and for the moving in. So actually, if everything goes well with her, so I want to thank you for helping me out.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy, and congratulations.
Okay, thank you.
That's the end of our vlog for today. I'm so happy na naging successful yung turnover ni Ma'am Joy, which is yun naman yung goal natin, maging happy si client sa bagong unit niya. So, thank you for watching, and if you have more inquiries, feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. Bye!